They must say me apologize to keep rich. Nah, I'm gonna apologize. The cheap. If you don't listen good, if you don't listen good, I tell my brother, I said, don't make a little clash get between me and you. Because I remember say we had it bridging before that in the dog. And the misunderstanding with you of money we put up. That way none of Jamaica know say, yo, when we go clash and sting. And I run going to clash for money, brother. Put up money, brother. You see me? Yeah, that a 5,000 US put up, brother. So you have to go back for that, brother. You understand? You see, not only that, I show the G say, yo, yeah, my brother before that and brother after. No change. So people turn this whole story and next year and I say, Ryan soft and Ryan apology. Brother, when I do things and apologize about it, because there's nothing we do in my life me ever regret. Not one. I never regret nothing we do in my life. You see? So, I just thought that. I don't know how the thing go. Sometimes a man can be a man in Asia that a fuck up the place and that a fuck up you with them mentally. No man can be a man in themselves. Everybody live for social media right now, you see it? Nobody now live. We can live and be real to myself, you see it? Them people nowadays they not be real to themselves. Nobody can live.
Cash in. Cash in, my beautiful people, cash in viewers and subscribers, cash in. Because we stop say check now, we're not checking no more, we are cash in now, because check take too long to clear. Yeah man, cash in my beautiful people. So I say, welcome back to the channel. The dancehall court is in session. Cash in my beautiful people. Yeah, want to say big respect, much love to all the viewers and the subscribers. Big up on yourself, we're loving to the moon, just like that and right back. Big up to all the people in the comment box, keeping the comments box busy. As busy signal, yeah? Big up on yourself, we're loving it just like that, to the moon and right back. Cash in my people, yeah. So yeah, we got quite a few intriguing and interesting stories we really want to talk about, really. Because we see like people really get over themselves and I mean, not overstand certain things. So make we just clear this out of the way, right? Quick and fast, people. Yeah? Quick and fast. So yeah, so the first story, Gully Bop. Gully Bop. So yeah, people. Gully Bop is sick, we understand that. Gully Bop needs medical attention, we understand that. Gully Bop needs financial help and support, we understand that. Alright, everybody who have understanding, understand that. Okay, so to my understanding, Gully Bop have a pastor who took him to Miss Dana. See, whatever help she can lend him and support. Miss Dana on the other hand, to my understanding, have bad runnings with the pastor and Gully Bop before. So she was skeptic as to get involved. She don't really want to get involved, with Gully Bop and him passa. She show him what she can do and that's it. And then the pastor went ahead and disrespect the lady, say some detrimental, derogatory things about the woman, and that blew up. And you see Shana Chin come out and she shed some tears and she said some things, and Amari get overly rude and ridiculous. But then we see Gully Bop daughter come out and she said some things where never really sit well with her. Because no matter what happened, brother, in the earth, your father and your father. Remember your father and bring you come here. Your father. Nobody feel like you can't come disrespect your father when the Bible says honor your father. You feel like you come disrespect your father and it's okay. It's not okay. It never really sit well with me. I mean, it not sit well with a lot of people and it not sit well with the Most High either. And the way you conduct yourself, and it come and say some things in a respectful manner and say what you think and what you thought, then that would be good. But you come and you cuss somebody and you go on the most. Never sit well. Hear me I say. The bloggers them, me know them and make a meal of the thing and them and make a try make a mountain out of a hill just to get a few cheap likes and views. We all understand that. Yeah, we understand all of that. And them a make up story and them a run it story and them a say this and them a say that. There's so many things they don't even go like that. We understand that. But that still not help Gully Bop, does it? Not help Gully Bop. No. And financial help him need to get medical attention. So this whole puppy show business and broadcasting and this person said this and that person said that and this blogger said that and that still not help the youth, is it? That not help him. What you need to do is go down the pocket and come up with some funds and help him. If you can't help him, if you can't help him, leave it. Shush. Let it go. You understand? That means say, it don't make no sense to really go back and forth every day on social media. It doesn't make any sense. It doesn't add up to me. Me want to say one thing before I leave this topic. Listen to this. So Gully Bop did get ahead of himself. And he never have the right people around him to make certain say this second break. Because him daughter say him get a first, him second break, a 2 time in bus, you know. The daughter said Gully Bop bus 2 times. Well, me not really know about the first time when he bus. I never heard of him before. But the second time when he come out as Gully Bop from the Gully, she said the little youth who helped to put him to the world, he not pay the youth no mind. That is wrong. You not pay mother no mind, that's 2 wrong. And then the kids them at 3 wrong. But then again, you have to overstand say Gully Bop never have the right people around him as to make sure say whatever him are this bus go somewhere. Not just bus and then flatbot bus and actually go places and him actually can make some money when he can, you know, put himself in a better position. Nobody really never did do that, you know. None of them. You can call out all of them names. They run with the hype, him fall for the hype, and them they look how much in that make from social media, them squander it and them do them likes and rare and they know. You know, as we say, it was a social media buzz. So you know, as so many people get tired of easily. You know what I mean? Them get tired of that and them want something different. They never have anything different to forward with, and so them get tired of him and them stop paying any attention. That was their mistake on their part. But regardless of all of that, the fact of the matter is the guy needs medical attention before he's dead. We don't want to talk about this say him drop out. So the correct thing to do, Chana Chin says she will help. She's willing to help. Amari she cost be about the language she literally in a sense. And you know, but whoever can help, make we try see if we can help. Just that me I say. Make we try see what we can do to make sure this guy gets some medical attention and the right medical attention, and you know what I mean, we don't have to come back come say no RIP and all them something. And that me I try if you have vibe. You don't need to blow up the whole thing and every day and this person said this and that person said that, and no, we don't need all of that. That's not the thing at hand. Miss Dana is a good lady. She helped a lot of people. And she would have helped Gully Bop people who wasn't showing people who is around him. Big up to Miss Dana. See? Alright people. So that is that. See if you can help Gully Bop, make him get some money. We are moving on. Next story now. What is the next story? Okay, check this out people. Yes, this story now people. I don't know how much I know know about these people. How much I familiar with these people. I'm not sure how many of you know about Alicia, Kim and her husband Boo. Yes, I'm not sure how many of you know about them, but these people are some, you know, them social media dappers them, yeah? Alicia, Kim and her husband Boo, and the big up crew. So my wife followed them. So my wife more time my wife I watch them, so I kinda get the opportunity you know, if you kind of see them and watch some of them videos and, you know, follow them for more time. And them are go on. When I learn about these people, and some are going and say, yeah, look like nice couple, and you know, and then I learn about the age gap between them. And if you ask my wife, she will tell you, I always say, this is gonna take God himself to make this marriage work or even last, because the gap, the age gap, I think it's a 37 years a gap between them. That's too much. You know, so me always say this, me not know, me not sure about this. From day one, I say, me not know. I pray for them not to worry about me not know, because the girl is pretty young girl, and he is, you know, what, 70 years, them say no. You know what I mean? So the age gap, I know the age gap was going to pose a problem from last night. I already know that. And my professional opinion, I always think that Boo is a very selfish guy. No disrespect to your Boo, I'm just speaking the truth. I always think I'm very selfish. Fit the age gap. No. Because you have so much experience. You understand? You have a lot of experience ahead of the girl. And the Bible speaks about a thing called unequal yoke. And when we look at them things, there's too much unequal yoke right there, because there's different levels of maturity between both of them. Different levels of maturity. He had a lot more experience. You know what I mean? This is her first marriage. This is not his first marriage. He got loads of kids. She haven't got any kid yet. And he's way older than her. So I kind of see some reasons why it won't work. But then somebody said to me, say, oh, me know you talk about Alicia, Kim and Boo, them situation them go through now. And I said, yeah, me hear so them go through some problem, but one, I don't think it's dancehall business. And two, when I heard about what them I go through, I believe it was a prank. Yes, I was like, some prank, man. They might pull some stunt to kind of generate some more likes and some more views. That's what I thought first in the beginning. And then secondly, I think say it wasn't dancehall business. But then again, I watched this video now. That's on the screen here, people. I watched this video, and I was watching Boo's body language and reaction, and I said, well, they look like a seal or something going on here, so that's stuff. And I'm telling you, Alicia family, you don't need to get involved some more. I'm speaking to Alicia's family now, because Boo dead serious about this. Me see every vein in the man head stand up, you know. When I watch the video, you know. Me see the man has sweat, grease. Normally when people sweat, them sweat like water, liquid, that water in man burst, grease, oil coming out of him head and him face. And then that stress, they call it stress, sweat. When him burst, grease, a beer grease, yeah, pass. They call it stress, sweat. Alright? And hear him say, divorce off the table. Nobody mentioned that. So which means him a try to say she can't left him. Whatever she is unhappy with, she can't left him. Now my personal opinion upon this, you know, is this. Like I say before, the age gap I think would have been a problem, because there's no way me gonna be that age there and go draw for a woman 37 years younger than me if you say want to be my wife. That means I'm selfish. Leave her to a younger person, because she's gonna need kids at some point. And when she get to at least 50, that's when she in her prime. Or are you going to be able to cope with her in the bedroom when she get to 50? You know, go on the marriage. So there was a lot of things, factors we need to look at. And him too selfish, he never see them things, him just say a nice pretty girl, if he simply have that. You can't have everything, brother. You have a lot of experience. So I think Kim family shall get involved some more and try to get her away from this situation and see if they can sort it out and some different type of ways sort it out. You know what I mean? Because Boo, like, the girl wants to go. If you watch her body language, she turn her back to him because she don't like what she's hearing from him. She take her ear, cover her eyes so you can't see her. You know what I mean? And it seems like him is a bully. It seems like him is a bully and she's afraid of him. So she don't really want to say the wrong thing and in temper go lift up like a airplane. And you know, so she just a play a game. But she just a try to keep calm and not really say too much if he get him hungry. But she needs to get away from this situation. It's not healthy. It's not healthy. You can't force water over hill. And once you are that age, I'm going to pick up a girl with 37 years now. You asking for trouble, brother. You're asking for trouble. You understand? I wouldn't even go for a girl with 15 years with me younger than 15 years, but less 37 years. Are you mad, fam? Are you mad? So I just feel like, say, you know, somebody else who is a family member to the girl supposed to there with her, you know, and can, you know, if they have anything to talk about, they can go sit with them, especially so a meal like on her brother or her uncle or her father. You can sit and make sure, say, anybody get angry, you know, get physical. But we see, say, something drastic a brew. Something drastic is brewing. You understand? I will not too like it. So I feel like our style, how she have behaved, it's a cry for assistance, it's a cry for help. She not happy. And then I use the birds as a little like, don't hide it from the crowd. Tell your fans them, tell your subscribers them, tell the people them what the real situation is, what is the true story. It can't be just birds, because when you come with this man, when you first know of this man and I get with this man, you know them have birds. So it couldn't be the birds. I refuse to believe that it's the birds. It could not be the birds. It's something else. Something else went down with them. I really want to say whether Boo cheat or Kim cheat or something Kim feel like she got what she want and she ready to cut, or whatever the case might be. Come forward and say it so people can judge rightly. I can't believe all of this is just over some birds. You understand? And in my saying, in age where Boo is at the moment, he's attached to his birds. When man get to them age of them one, them think they're the birds. It's important to him. You know what I mean? And if I was to believe that she's giving him an ultimatum, as to say, choose between she and the birds, that would be unfair. That would be unfair. That would be a scapegoat. She look at a reason to leave the marriage. For asking if choose between you and the birds, Kim. That we can't give you nothing this so. You understand me? I say I can't do it. I couldn't give you no right this man. No. I couldn't tell her say yes for asking to choose between you and the birds. You do with him for how long till you married to him and him having birds. You know what I mean? What is probably birds? If you know, when live probably a rent house then, because if a fee house, you couldn't possibly be asking him to move. Unless you're gonna sell the house and go buy a different house elsewhere. If that's the problem. And if a rent house, you move with the birds. You can't expect him to flew away the birds or give away the birds, or you know what I mean? It's just my opinion. But I think it's much more than just the birds. Island birds are birds. People can't want to separate and divorce over birds. Something else. Tell us what it is before it relates to crime scene. You know what I'm saying? Because obviously something is not right. You see me, I say something not right. He don't want to say what it is, she don't want to say what it is. And them are blame it on the birds and make like a bird like we are idiot, like we are going to bite and say yes, it's just birds. It can't be. We know so long as Jamaica they are jolly and a gallivant, man. And then you know come back and say the birds is a problem, I want to go because I can't stand these birds. Or I want to keep my birds, and if you want, no. So I would suggest that Kim and Boo tell your people the truth. What is the problem? And maybe we as subscribers can probably help find some form of solution to the problem. I mean, and I would say this, we might as well divorce right now or break it up. And the reason is because at some point it's going to happen. Maybe the next 5 years. It's going to happen, no doubt. No doubt, because the girl is a very, 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 very young girl and she must want to experience the other side of life, like to be a mother, have kids and, grow up kids, and she want to experience that, traveling, going to the, adventurous. Can he cope? I'm not sure. So, just that me I say. Is either no or then, but it's going to happen. Evidently you can see say it's going to happen. Because right now Kim just reaching her prime, where she's getting very excited about life and she want to explore and she want to, go meet younger people and mingle with younger people and all them something that people do before them tie themselves down to marriage. Maybe she grasped the opportunity when it presented itself, but now she feel like, say, boy, you can't blame her. Sometimes you know me trying to blame her, but you can't really blame her. I blame Boo. I blame Boo. I think it's because Boo was so damn selfish. If he wasn't selfish. And me, as tell my wife from the last time I saw one prank, they did a prank where, she used him son to put her leg across his leg and him walking as that, and him head swell big like a Mandora coconut. And him even draw something for lick off her head off her body, and then him jump in a car and sped away. All them call him and say, yo, Boo, it's a prank, where you going when him cuss couple bottle and him jump in them car and him chew and him hurts and gone. Man head swell big like a Mandora coconut when him come in and see it, man. Him man nearly bust him glasses them. And those were signs and indications where even when people start pranking, I said, I'm not pranking, brother. She's trying to tell him something. She wants a younger man. It makes you feel like, that's why she used his son. She was sending him signal and never does see it. But wish them all the best. Or they can work on them things out if they really love each other. But me know. And not normal she find herself, It's not nothing normal, people. Trust me. So people, drop in the comment box and let me know where you think about this situation now. This has been the dancehall court scene. Drop in the comment box, people. Let me know where you think about this case with Kim and Boo. What you think? You think it's really the birds? Why this a go on, or you think Kim just want to go, or you think Kim cheat her, Boo cheat her? Drop in the comment box. Let me know what you think. I personally don't think it's anything to do with no birds. So, I refuse to believe that it's the birds. Two people who claim them in love are going to end up divorced and left each other because of two little birds. So, go in the comment box, people. Let me know what you think. See me, I say, we love into the moon and back just like that. Big up on yourself and take care of yourself. Until next time, dancehall court. I'm out.